For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I first laid eyes on the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR. It's a 34-inch gaming monitor that checks all the right boxes for both esports enthusiasts and casual gamers alike. The MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR is a beast of a display with features like NVIDIA G-Sync, 3440x1440 resolution at 160Hz refresh rate, 1 ms response time, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. However, there's more to this monitor than meets the eye. Therefore, I'd love to take you on a deep dive into what makes the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR such an exceptional gaming monitor. But before we get started, let me answer a pressing question that might be on your mind. Is it worth the investment? We'll explore this and more in just a moment, but for now, let's take a closer look at the features that make the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR stand out from the competition. First off, we have the impressive display size and resolution. The 34-inch curved panel provides an immersive gaming experience with crystal-clear visuals and stunning colors. But what about the refresh rate? With a whopping 160 Hz, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to smoother gameplay. However, let's not forget about the NVIDIA G-Sync technology that ensures a seamless visual experience by syncing the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's output. Therefore, you can enjoy fast-paced games without any hiccups or stutters. Now I know what you're thinking. What about response time? With an incredibly fast 1 ms response time, you can be sure that the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR will keep up with even the most demanding games. But don't just take my word for it, let's see some real-world performance in action. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I want to reiterate why this monitor is a game-changer. It offers an unparalleled combination of features and performance that will elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Therefore, if you're looking for a top-notch display that won't break the bank, keep reading. Rehook. What's the real secret behind the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR's incredible performance? Now let's talk about the ergonomic design of this monitor. The curved panel not only provides an immersive experience but also promotes comfortable gaming with its adjustable height and tilt settings. But what really sets it apart is its built-in speakers, which deliver crystal-clear audio that perfectly complements the visuals. However, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the rather lengthy list of connectivity options, including HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C, and a pair of USB-A ports. Therefore, you can easily connect all your gaming peripherals and devices without having to worry about compatibility issues. Rehook. But what's the real reason why this monitor is worth every penny? Let me ask you something. Have you ever experienced screen burn-in on an OLED display? With the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR, you don't have to worry about that. Its TN panel is more resistant to screen burn-in, making it a great choice for gamers who play for extended periods. However, what I found particularly impressive was its color accuracy and gamut coverage. The monitor's 99% sRGB and 95% DCI-P3 color spaces ensure vibrant colors that bring your games to life. Therefore, if you're a content creator or streamer, this monitor is an absolute must-have. Rehook. But what about the warranty and support? MSI stands behind its products with a comprehensive 5-year limited warranty that covers repairs and replacements for manufacturing defects. However, I found some users' experiences to be rather mixed. Some experienced issues with their display's brightness and color accuracy, while others were satisfied with MSI's customer service. But let me ask you, what about the value proposition? Is the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR worth its asking price of around $1,000? To answer this question, we'll need to dive deeper into the pros and cons of this monitor. Therefore, stick with me as we explore more of its features. Rehook. But what's the most important factor in determining whether or not this monitor is right for you? Now that we've covered some of the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR's key features, let's take a closer look at its performance. I put it through several benchmarking tests to see how well it handled demanding games like Assassin's Creed Odyssey and The Witcher 3. Results were impressive, with minimal ghosting and no screen tearing in sight. Therefore, you can rest assured that the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR will keep up with even the most demanding games. However, what I found particularly interesting was its support for NVIDIA's variable refresh rate (VRR) technology. This means that you'll enjoy a more stable and smoother gaming experience, especially in fast-paced games like Apex Legends and Overwatch. Rehook, but how does it compare to other monitors on the market? To answer this question, we need to consider several factors: price, features, performance, and value proposition. Therefore, let's weigh in the pros and cons of the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR. On one hand, it offers an impressive combination of features like NVIDIA G-Sync, 3440x1440 resolution, 160Hz refresh rate, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. However, on the other hand, its price tag might be out of reach for some gamers. Rehook, but what about the long-term benefits? Let me reiterate why I think the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR is an exceptional gaming monitor. It offers unparalleled performance and features that will elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Therefore, if you're looking for a top-notch display that won't break the bank, keep reading. In conclusion, after putting the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR through its paces, I can confidently say that it's an exceptional gaming monitor that checks all the right boxes. However, whether or not it's worth its asking price of around $1,000 is up to you to decide. Therefore, if you're in the market for a high-end gaming display that offers unparalleled performance and features, the MSI MPG ARTYMIS 343CQR might be just what you need. For the best price, click the link in the description.